Welcome to the Go Markets MT4 Genesis tutorial. MT4 Genesis provides a suite of tools to help you optimize your trading experience in MT4. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the trade terminal. Now to get started, just head over to the navigator window and left click on Expert Advisors. And within the Expert Advisors, you'll see Trade Terminal. Simply left click and drag that onto the chart and click on OK. And the trade terminal window will be applied. The first thing I want to show you is how to undock this window and open it up to a full screen. So simply left click on the settings and then left click on undock terminal. Now this will open it up outside of MT4. Let me just configure it so it fits onto my screen. And now we've got the full window. The first thing you'll notice is all the currency pairs are lined up with very clear buy and sell buttons. Now this makes it very easy to trade, having all your currency pairs very visible and easy to trade within the one window. Now these particular ones are what we call mini terminals, so we'll actually cover those in another video tutorial. And in this tutorial we're going to cover the things like the account info and the advanced order options down the bottom left here. So over on the right hand side we've got the account info where we can see the balance, the equity, floating P&L, margin, open positions and pending orders and so on. So you can see our floating P&L is sitting at $55. Now the great thing about this is we can actually set alarms right from here. So if our floating P&L was less than or equal to or greater than or equal to a certain amount, then we could actually send an email or close orders or close charts or turn off EAs and all sorts of things. So this is a really handy feature down the right hand side here, using the bells within the account info tab on the trade terminal, as you can see there. So if the balance got to a certain amount, then we can place some various alerts and email certain alerts through to us as well. So that's the account info tab within the trade terminal. Now the most important part is down here on the left hand side, the open and pending orders. Now here we can see all our orders. We could see open positions or pending orders if we wanted to. Don't have any pending orders, so we'll click on all orders. Now what we could do as well in this one, we could close all orders, close open positions, delete pending orders, close all winners, or close all losing trades if we wanted to. Now there's a couple of other options here as well. If I wanted to, I could go to Tools, All Orders, and I could select partial close on all of those orders, and I could set it at a certain percentage. So I could partially close 30% of all my orders. However, if I left click on two of them like so, and I hold down the control key and left click on those two there, I could go Tools and I could go Selected Orders. And then I could do a partial close. So within those selected orders, let's say I didn't have a stop loss or a take profit, I could actually go on the selected orders, I could adjust my stop loss, I could adjust my take profit, I could adjust the trailing stop, and it will apply it to both those selected trades I have selected there. I could move all to break even exit. Now they're all currently in profit, so I could actually move all positions to break even if I wanted to, or my selected orders to break even. And another great facility within this, which you won't see on many MT4 platforms at all, is the ability to put an automated close in. So what I can do is I could actually put an automated close and I could click on Create. So what we can do here is we can say when the order profit in pips is greater than or equal to X amount of pips, then close a percentage of the original volume. So we could say close half the position when the profit in pips is greater than 50 pips as an example. So there's a lot of options here. Let me take you through a few. So you've got order net profit, profit in pips, order duration, total floating profit or loss, and total pips profit or loss. And then you can set the stop loss. So you can say when this condition happens, set the stop loss to so many pips, take profit, trailing stop. You can remove any stop loss, take profit, trailing stop, pop up an alarm with text, send an email with text, and so on. So what we'll do, we'll keep it basic and we'll say when our order profit in pips is greater than 50 pips, then close 50% of the original order. Now we can save that as a template, and what I've actually gone ahead and done is I've already saved this as a template, but what we can do here is we can apply that rule to those two that are selected. Okay, so let me go and apply the rule, and you'll notice down the left hand side here we've got the spanner and hammer. If I click apply rules, you'll notice that an exclamation mark has now been applied to those two, because we went into tools and we selected selected orders, automated close, and so on. So in this other one here, you'll notice that the automated close isn't put on that. So now what I can do is select that, go to tools, selected orders, automated close, and now that template is already in place. I called it the 50 pip profit take half. I apply that, and now you see the exclamation mark is there. If I wanted to remove that, I simply left click, task in progress, and then I left click on close to remove the automated close that's being run on that particular trade. So the last thing we'll do here is you'll notice that these Swiss franc positions are nicely in profit. I'm going to hold down the control key and select both of those, select tools, go to selected orders, and go to break even exit. This has now moved both the orders on these, my stop loss on these, to my original open price, as you can see there. So now the worst case scenario in this one, should it not gap or anything like that, is it'll move down, and if it does correct from this position here, it'll take me out at my original opening price. So there's no doubt you'll get a lot of great value out of the trade terminal here, and we hope you found the information on the trade terminal useful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Thank you.